Hello guys, and welcome back to another video on login helps. Today we're going to be teaching you how to get your account unbanned on WhatsApp. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So you open your WhatsApp application and then you see a pop-up window that reads that this account cannot use WhatsApp. What this means is that your account has been banned from using WhatsApp because you violated a certain type of guideline from WhatsApp. So for that, to get your account unbanned, what you're going to do is you're going to have to contact support of WhatsApp. So for that, go ahead, open Play Store, and on the search bar type WhatsApp. After that, open WhatsApp Messenger, and if you scroll down below, you'll be able to see the option of app support. So you tap on it and then tap on website. This will redirect you to WhatsApp's official website, and on this website, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see the Contact Us option. Tap on it, you will be redirected to this page where you're going to go ahead and tap on the Contact Us link in blue, which appears below WhatsApp Messenger support. After that, go ahead and enter your phone number and go ahead and enter your email address. Confirm that email address. Now select the device on which you use WhatsApp. If it's Android, select Android. However, if it's iPhone or any of these from the given options, you simply select it, and on this section, you're going to describe how your account has been banned. Over here, you're going to go ahead and describe how you've not violated any type of community guidelines of WhatsApp. So please help unban my account on WhatsApp. After you've appealed your request for unban, simply tap on the next step button that appears on the bottom of your screen. After that, WhatsApp will get back to you within a certain period of time and your account will be unbanned. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.